What's up, everyone? We're back, joined with my boy PZ Motorsports, aka VR
TFRS.
VRTFRS.
Yeah.
I knew it was something like
I
that. We're back working on the M4. So today's mission is seat mounting. We cannot use standard side mount rails like on every other seat on the planet.
No, not on that.
No. So, bottom mount. So we've been throwing this thing in and out. I'll polish that up. Don't worry about that. But we gotta kind of figure out how to do it. And we started the game plan already. And
Ahead of time
because the camera was dead. But we made But we made some good progress. So hold on.
Where's that template?
That's what we got. So we made this nice little template. So here's what we did. We got these little guys wrapped out. So these are just tube. We got a little flat plate welded on there. So then I can through hole it. This is a 1/8 plate to a, I don't know, 1.5 by 0.95, or this might be thicker, 125 or 120 wall. But we got something like that, a 1-inch tube, and then we got this hoop, same thing. These are a little bigger to accommodate and recess, but that's what I came up with. Then here's, always use cardboard, but then we got something like that where I'll cut everything, dimple die it, and then our mounting holes should be somewhere like here and like here. We may offset it just a little bit one side or the other depending on how much away from the door and everything the seat really wants to sit and what I got to do to line up on the dash and make everything work. But yeah, what do you think?
I think it's solid.
Think it's solid? So here's the air.
I think it's solid.
Here's the drone footage. Yeah, I think it should work. Then this pretty much is just to hold the seat up.
Yeah, some weight support.
And then we will be doing a bar back here off of these mounting holes to tie into the cage itself to prevent any forward shifting movement. But I think we got this side. Oh, let me hop over this. Look at the boot. New boot goofing. But this is about the height and everything the seat should sit. Now, depending, I left just that front bar tacked because I can raise or lower those notches to accommodate angle. The seats, I think they have a built-in 15 or 18 degree lean back. So we'll see how it goes, but that's the start. So I think it should look pretty good. You'll see it just hanging above the door level there. Something like that. So it should look really cool with doors on and everything else. But yeah, we're doing good. Got any comments for YouTube?
You're slacking.
Me?
Yeah.
All right, we're not gonna argue him. He's right. My bad YouTube. But yeah, let's get it. Woo! Yeah.
That was a rough cut.
Rough cut.
Roof. Looks good. get that first reaction on camera.
Let's see how it lines up.
That's pretty,
I gotta round these edges a little bit back here.
mm-hmm.
This is still loose. So hold on, let me take a little bit off these and see what we got.
Take a little bit of the corner, Cody.
Hey.
Just a little bit of the corner, you know what I'm saying?
Take a little bit off the corner. Okay. So I may take a little bit more. That one looks perfect. We'll just take a little bit more.
Just this one.
It's not even that bad. We'll just take a wee bit because this can still have some play too.
Oh yeah.
So.
You want a Sharpie?
No. Bye or bye bye. Isn't that the saying?
That's what I say. A little bit of a change of game plans.
Possibly. You know, this ain't a perfect science.
It's definitely not.
Let's go with the bigger hole.
I like the bigger hole.
Alright.
You ever seen like...
We don't need to tell anyone we're going with the bigger hole because I don't have the right bit for the small one. But I think it's a good call.
I think we got the right bit.
Well, yeah, that's the wrong one. This is the right one.
Well, yeah, that one's good. But I was just showing the one we should have used.
Yeah. Yeah, a little fucked.
Get it. This is the secret. You gotta clamp it to the board, right?
Yeah, and then you hold the board like a boss.
Yeah. Can't let go. You gotta stay committed.
You gotta stay. This whole thing's about commitment. You can have commitment issues anywhere else, just not here.
No, you got commitment issues here. This will hurt a lot more than your high school sweetheart.
But you're still married to your high school sweetheart.
Exactly. And she's hurting me every day.
Shout out.
Shout out to Bree.
And now the wood helps you not
Punch the
fucking shit.
Oh yeah, so we just got through. A legitness. Whew.
Sick.
Definitely. How you feel about that hole?
I feel it's there.
Definitely got it.
You definitely got it.
3 more. Oh yeah. So we got the hole situated.
Now.
Took us a second, but we're good.
Took us a second, but we're good.
Now we gotta use some dimple dice.
No, I'm gonna plug in my magic hole. My magic hole cleaner.
Like that?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that looks nice.
So, here's our final piece. Pretty fucking straight. I like it.
Oh, it definitely brings it out.
You dig?
I dig it.
I think that was the right call on the sizing. I think we did good.
See, I think there's a reason we did that. Bam!
Okay?
Oh yeah.
You're good?
All right, it's all tacked in. Bring that seat over here. What? Okay. How's the foot?
I mean, pedals we're gonna put wherever we want. I could cheat myself over this way a little bit, like right to here. That's a lot of room.
Cup holder and stuff.
Right here.
Yeah.
It's a pretty sick spot for a cup holder, not gonna lie. Like, I can build like a row. Like, I can have 2 different sizes for like a McDouble.
And a
or
40.
a large. Yeah. Fit a Tito's bottle or something.
Yeah.
Henny holder. Yo, the Henny holder. Trademark that shit. We got the Henny holder.
Because anything is possible.
Because anything is possible.
All right, let the people know. Let the people know that you got it all tacked up and figured out. Wait, I just told them.
Let them know.
Looks legit. Just get in my shot. Get in my shot.
I got in your shot. Okay.
And
What?
final decision. Do the bolts catch? Oh yeah. She's going in there.
Where's that, here it is.
Socket.
Got it.
You know that thing I was talking about? Yeah, I got it.
Okay, final thoughts. That one's done. Ooh.
I like it.
You like it?
I like it.
I like it too. I think we're good. But I think that's going to wrap up this one. Just wanted to give a little insight of some of the fab because I've been slacking. But we got a bunch of crazy stuff showing up for the engine bay side of things. I'm going to be cranking. I got to do another one of these, sadly. Not really. At least we got the measurements now.
Yeah.
Nice and easy.
Cake?
Easy. Cake.
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 What kind of cake?
Vanilla.
Vanilla cake?
Ice cream.
Oh,
With sprinkles.
Fudgy the fucking way.
No, screw fudgy. But
Carvel sponsors me.
that'd be a sick sponsor. Livery, Carvel livery with fudgy
the whale
right on the side of it. Or the roof.
Yo.
So the Ariel's big Fudgy the whale on the roof.
Yo, hit me up, Carvel. I will definitely do that.
You guys got
Just
something.
send me like a monthly Fudgy the whale thing.
But this is about to die. I see it on 0. So that'll end this one. Peace out.
Bye.
Later.
Like it, share it.
Like, share, subscribe. Catch us on the next one. Peace.